My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. Today I want to give you a simple formula, okay, that can help you fix any phone, be it button phone, Android or iPhone, okay, or any type of phone. I want to give you a simple formula that can help you fix any phone. Okay, now your customer give you a phone, the phone is not working, it's not booting. The first thing that you have to check is physical damage. Number one, physical damage. Okay, so number one is called physical damage. Make sure you check for physical damage. Check this out. Make sure you check for physical damage. This is physical damage. Check very well, you see. This is physical damage. Check this out. Make sure you check and confirm. Check it and confirm. Check this out. You can see battery disconnected. All these are called physical damage. Make sure you check. Very, very important. So the next thing is battery. Number two, check battery. Check battery. Very important. So after you check for physical damage, the next thing is for you to check battery. Okay, check battery to confirm if there's battery inside or not, because there are sometimes customer will give you a phone and there's no battery. Later they will tell you that there was battery. So always confirm, and not just that, confirm the battery voltage. It's important. Confirm the battery voltage. If there is voltage inside the battery, confirm. Check for physical damage on the battery if there is any issue on the battery. Okay, make sure you check. Very, very important. The next thing is battery connector pins. Okay, so number three, battery connector pins. So it's important for you to check the battery connector pins. Let me show you. Check this out. So right here, these are battery connector pins. Make sure you check if there's any physical damage, if there's anything that is wrong with the battery connector pins. There are sometimes rust cover these pins, or open circuit, or something wrong, or it's no more connecting to the PCB. So make sure you check it, you read it. Very, very important. Please check. Very, very important. I beg of you, always check. Very, very important. Check the battery also and check the connector also. Very, very important. Okay, number four, read the battery voltage. It's important. Okay, take for example, this is the battery of the phone. Use your multimeter. Let me show you. Use your multimeter and read the battery voltage to be sure whether there is voltage or not. It's important. Read the battery voltage using your multimeter. It's important. So right here, I'll write read battery voltage. Number four, read battery voltage. Very, very important. Read battery voltage. Okay, so when you're done reading the battery voltage, the next thing is for you to read the PCB. Read the phone PCB. Now, number five, read the phone PCB. Okay, read the phone PCB. It's important for you to read the phone PCB. Okay, it's very, very important. Check this out. After checking physical damage, you check battery connector pins, you read the battery voltage, you read the PCB. Now, make sure you read the PCB. It's important. When you read the PCB, you'll be able to know whether voltage is flowing in or not. Okay? Read the PCB so that you know whether voltage is flowing in or not. My dear technician, please let me know if you still want me to continue this video. Let me know right now in the comment section so that I will drop the part 2 of this video so that I will explain a lot. Okay, I really want to explain this thing so that you understand. Let me know if you still want me to continue this video. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. Love you all.